So when we go to tooltip pop-up, generally like generated using a title attribute, okay, or like it has like come up in the division pop-up, means inside the div tag, right? Now I don't have, rather I have some attribute title, or I don't have anything as such, but I have some here attribute. Inside that attribute I have some value, right? I'll just inspect this and show it to you. This is my browser opened once, so I cannot inspect. Okay, this is my attribute, right? What I'll do is I'll, as you guys saw my previous test case, it was coming and doing till here. As of now, what I'll do is I'll just create one more test class set in that tooltip. Okay, tooltip. Okay, tooltip pause. I have created one class. Okay, but if I have to do, if you follow my previous session, like you'll understand like how to do this. I'll just do one thing. I'll set this. Okay, those 4 lines again, according to your thing, do you have to keep this thing first or that thing first? You just see these are the prerequisite. I'll just copy it till here because I want to come till child window, right? I have come till child window. I'll copy it in my tooltip. Okay, I have come just, oh my God, I've come this till child window. I'll just copy it and paste it here. Now, if you think that I just log in, come till child window, it will cover. Okay, thread dot sleep, just add throws the declaration exception. Okay, now I need to go to this, right? My test case says like verify this. So what do I do? How do I do? First, I'll have to, if I need to find an attribute like this, first I need to find this element, right? Inspect and find this. So what all I have here now? I have a tooltip, data toggle tooltip. Okay, does it takes or not? I'll see. Okay, Control F inside I tag. I have, this is my attribute and this is my attribute value. Both of this, I'll just take it. Okay, Control I, then Control V. This is my attribute @attribute. And this is my attribute value, right? I'll give it in the single quote. Okay, to match form. Because this and this, first is child and parent, they have same. But I need the first one, right? I'll just group it and I'll just tell explicitly I want first one. Okay, I have found that. Okay, I'll go to my test case and I'll just here, I'll first wait for thread dot sleep. I'll wait for some 4 seconds. Okay, after that, driver dot find element by dot xpath. I found that element and whichever the element, I'll give it here. Okay, then what driver dot find element will return? It will return a web element, right? I'll store it in one web element, and I'll store it as tooltip variable. Okay, I have named it as tooltip. It is my wish. I have named it in this way. Okay, now I have found this element, right? What I'll do? I will found that element. Then I have one method, right? Get attribute. So it is my attribute value here. I want, this is my attribute, right? Right. So this is my data original title is my attribute, right? This is the text I want to verify. Okay, data original title. This I'll passing it as an attribute. It will get the value of that. Okay. Then I'll store it in one string variable because get attribute method will return either it will return a string or it will return a web element. Okay. Or a list of web element or a list of string or a set of string or a set of web element. It will be like that. So it is returning string. Okay. String tooltip. Okay. I have named that. Now I'll print that. Okay, SYSOU SYSOU, the tooltip is, I'm just passing one message. The tooltip is, which is the tooltip? Plus concatenation. I'm passing that. Whichever the string was found from this, I'm just placing it here. Okay. Okay. So it has to display whatever was there here. We have adult 12 years plus old on the date of travel is there, right? It has to display that. So how do I verify that? Okay, just we'll see in this. We'll run and see. Okay, now just I'll do, does it displays or not? We'll see. Anyways, in this again, I don't have to print my parent window, child window and all. So I'll just comment this 2 lines. Okay, I'll just run now as Java application. Window handles, run it. Okay, it is launching the browser, getting the URL, maximizing the browser, entering the user ID, entering password. Then it is going to spy shuttle, right? Then it waited for some 4 seconds. It is loading. Okay, now it would have done for us. See, the tooltip is adult 12 years old on the date of travel. This is called your tooltip pop-up. Okay, now you can pass some expected value. This is the actual value. You can compare by using dot equals method. Okay, if you want to explore more. Just I wanted to show you.